So Donald Trump won the U.S. election. Now, how will this affect the economy and markets? Well, I mentioned in my video yesterday that the biggest thing for this election is that the margin of victory be wide and decisive, and then the outcome be known relatively soon. And both those things happen, especially with Wisconsin and Pennsylvania going into Donald Trump's camp. So Donald Trump won the election. I think regardless of the outcome of the election, the market and economy would have done well anyway. There's so many tailwinds, especially with AI, the productivity gains from AI, earnings per share growth of companies, inflation going down, rate of increase of inflation going down, as well as a Federal Reserve cutting interest rates. What I think a Trump win means for the economy is really more industry specific. I think that banks will do well. I think that small cap tech growth stocks will do well, kind of like the Russell IWM related stocks. Growth and innovation generally will do well. Crypto will do well. Bitcoin hit a record high. Bitcoin briefly hit $75,000 after news and increased chances of a Trump victory. The Dow, S&P 500, and NASDAQ hit intraday level highs on this news, which I think mostly is due to the uncertainty being removed, and now that we have a certain known outcome. On top of that, some industries that are selling off today are clean energy and solar stocks, as well as some home builder stocks and some marijuana stocks. So overall, I think my S&P 500 price target for year end stands at 6,000 as my base case and 6,250 as my bull case. Let's see what happens. Look, with the Trump victory, there could be a little bit more animal spirits in the markets. The markets could accelerate more in the short term. But if that happens, I think maybe early next year we might have a little sell-off if that happens. But overall, regardless of the outcome of the election, and even though Trump won, it really has not too much to do with the economy and markets overall. Yes, it might affect some industry-specific sectors. Oh, and before I forget, not only did this help Bitcoin, because obviously Trump's a little bit friendlier towards crypto in terms of possibly using it as a strategic reserve asset, as well as helping the regulatory environment for crypto. But Tesla should do well because Elon will have a strong and a position of influence within the Trump administration. Whether or not he's on the Department of Government Efficiency, he'll have Trump's ear. So Tesla was up about 12% today as well. So that's my take about the stock market and economy with a Trump win.